How to lock WhatsApp. So if you want to know or if you want to lock your WhatsApp account for more privacy, you can open WhatsApp, sign into your account and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. On this drop down menu box, select settings and then you need to select your privacy option in the settings page and then scroll all the way down and tap on app lock. Here we can see the option of unlock with biometric. So if you enable this option, you will need to use fingerprint, face or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp. But you can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So if you want to lock your WhatsApp application, you need to simply toggle on the button and you need to use your fingerprint or you can add the unique identifier that you want to add while opening WhatsApp. So let's do it. And then once you have scanned your fingerprint or enter your privacy password, then you can select the time which you want to do it, or if you want to immediately lock your WhatsApp, then you can select immediately, or if you wish to select it after 1 minute or 30 minutes, you can do it as per your wish. And then if you wish to show content in notification, you need to toggle on the button, otherwise turn it off. Once you have done that, you need to enter the privacy password or the scan your fingerprint to access WhatsApp. So let's open it. Let's come back from this page, and as you have said to after 1 minute, you have to wait until 1 minute and then your app will be locked. So let's try it. Open WhatsApp and we have to unlock by scanning our fingerprint. So let's tap on unlock and use your privacy passwords or other identifiers. So this was the one way. The other way is you can go to settings on your device and then go to privacy. Here tap on privacy next to permission and tap on app lock. Enter or verify with fingerprint and then tap on lock next to, or sorry, on this all only you will check or you need to check WhatsApp and toggle on the button. After that tap on locked, and as you can see that we have successfully locked WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp and now again you have to verify with fingerprint. So these were the two ways that you can do in order to lock your WhatsApp application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.